My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Volvo XC-90. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 69,000 miles with an automatic transmission. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we have our applications, which include Apple and Android CarPlay. On the second, we have navigation, radio, and Bluetooth. And on the third, we have our car functions, which include things such as park assist and our camera, which is a 360 degrees. We also have 5 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.